Welcome back. It's a mitzvah to give the other guy a hand, and in particular, as we're about to see, it's a mitzvah, especially when one is using a beast of burden, and there is also the element of being kind to the animal involved as well. Let's take a look inside. Mitzvah positive commandment number 70. It is a positive commandment to unload from the domestic animal of one's fellow man that is lying under its burden. As scripture says, if you see the donkey of one that you hate lying under its burden, you shall surely help him, even if there was on it a larger load than was fit for it. It is one's duty to unload it for nothing, without payment. However, an elder for whom it is beneath his dignity is free from the obligation. If one unloaded and reloaded, and it fell down again, he is duty-bound to unload and load on it yet another time, and even 100 times. The scripture says, you shall surely help with him. And he has to walk with him as far as a parsang, 3/4 of a mile, to make sure all is now in order, unless the owner of the load says, I do not need you. Okay. So we have a couple of elements here. You have an animal that's been loaded up, and now it can't carry the load. So it sits down. So you're going to have to unload it and reload it until you can get it. You have to help somebody do that, even if it's somebody who is not your friend, somebody who you don't like, somebody you actually hate. You have to help them. There are a couple of elements here. One is the element of overcoming our emotions in order to be able to help somebody. Sometimes even people we don't like need help, and it's still our obligation to help them. As I'm fond of saying, you should love your neighbor as yourself, doesn't only apply to your friends, it also applies to your mother-in-law. In other words, even people you might not be so comfortable with, you have to help out. That's the Jewish way. And so it becomes an obligation to do so. You'll also notice here that you're dealing with an animal under a burden. So there's an element of tsar bali chayim here as well, of treating animals in a way which is compassionate for the animal as well. And we will see other examples of this throughout our study of the mitzvahs. But we have to take care of animals, and if the animal can't handle the load, we have to make sure that the load can be handled. So here again, we have a fascinating situation where the Torah is asking us to, first of all, deal with Tsar Bali Chayim, of course, and make sure that the animal is taken care of. But most interestingly and most importantly, the Torah pushes us to do acts of kindness even for people that we don't like. That's the greatness of Torah. Anybody can help out their buddies when they like them. It's when you don't like somebody and you're willing to help them, that's the true measure of a person. Have a good day. We'll see you. Next time. Next time would be mitzvah number 71. It is a positive commandment to load with one's fellow man, to set a burden on a domestic animal or other person. Okay, so now we're talking about not an animal that's collapsed under its load. We're talking about actually loading it in the first place, and we'll talk about it next time and see some nuances. Okay, we'll see you then. Bye.